नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी भक्तों, शिष्यों, सन्यासियों का प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars who are sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Lotus News Channel, Sadhana TV, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV, and through two-way video conferencing, having Nayanadiksha in many cities, many countries around the world. The cities sitting with us through two-way video conferencing, having Nayanadiksha, Adi Nityananda Jnanapeetham Avattipalayam, Newfoundland, Canada, New Jersey, London, Kashi, New York, Varanasi, Paris, Home Temple, High Point, North Carolina, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Dhyanapetham, Hosur, Paris, Home Temple, Houston, Kalahasti, Seremban, Malaysia, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Seattle, Chidambaram, Scarborough, Canada, Singapore, Singapuram, Toronto, Kailasam, Ohio, Prayag, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Nityananda Nagara, Bididi, San Jose, Madurai, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Varanasi, Oman, Sungaipettani, and Coimbatore, Nityananda Sangha. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today I wanted to expand on living. Please understand, whatever may be the truth you feel as highest, you feel as best, sometime it can be the pure space of Advaita, sometime it can be highest devotion, sometime it can be Dvaita, sometime it can be Visishtadvaita. Whatever may be the truth you think is highest truth, it will have its effect on you only when you start living. There is no truth which is higher or lower. Please understand. It is your ability to live it makes it useful or not. There is no truth higher or lower. It is your ability to live makes it useful or not. When you do not have the ability to live and you fail, you go on blaming the truth is not higher truths. It can be as simple as repetition of some spiritual syllable. God or Guru's name are as highest as being in the space of pure Advaita. Whatever, please listen. It is your ability to live enriches you. You all heard last 20 days, I think. Only now you are remembering. So many things. Not just heard, got literally drilled. Experientially. So many different understandings, cognitive shift, click, experience, truths. Please understand, only when you start living them, they become reality. Please understand, you might have struggled, suffered, spent money, time, energy, finally passed the driving test and got the driving license, but it will be useful to you only if you are regularly driving it. Getting the driving license itself can be a great achievement if you are driving regularly. If not, it can't be considered as a great achievement. Inner Awakening certificate is the driving license for life. Guaranteed, foolproof. Even planets give way. Please understand, but you have to continuously live. For example, if you have problem with your sleep, not having or too much having, sit with yourself, spend little time and have your own session, inner awakening session for yourself. Find the incompletions which are responsible. Why you developed this pattern? Spend little time and contemplate. Complete with those patterns. Maybe your strong belief that you cannot do yoga by waking up morning 4 o'clock, or a strong hatred towards physically moving your body, a strong desire for laziness, or the pattern of not wanting to do anything, that something may be the reason. Look in, find the reason, complete with it. You will see next day, morning 4 o'clock, you are automatically awake. Use all the principles. Use all the truths. One more thing, all the core important truths have been already made. as part of your biomemory. They will stick their neck out, stand up whenever you make any important decisions in your life. Those powerful spiritual strategies will stand. But listen, do not deny in the name of practicality, do not deny in the name of convenience. Don't deny any of the spiritual strategies when it happens in you for convenience. No. Be very clear. Once you are convinced, you will live the spiritual truth. If it is not practical, you will dig out what is practical, but there will not be gap between your spiritual understanding and day-to-day practical. That is what I call living. Living is nothing to do with following some hard and strict rules. Wherever you can, pull the truths into your thinking. Wherever you can, pull them into your strategizing. But there should not be any gap between your convictions about life and the way you operate. Not having gap between your convictions and your day-to-day life is what I call living. Human beings do not suffer because they do not get to listen to the truth. They suffer because they do not live the truth. So be very clear. The whole emphasis is on living, and because I emphasize, don't think it is difficult. We always think anything repetitively told and emphatically told, it's very difficult, that is why they are saying. No. Some of the most easiest thing only we need to emphasize, because that is what you take it for granted. Easiest thing, breathe deeply, has to be emphasized so much. What to do? Easiest thing, breathe deeply, has to be emphasized so much. Living, living, living. When you pull these great truths into you and start living them, if you drive regularly, getting driving license becomes an important turning point in your life. Same way, if you live all these truths, attending inner awakening becomes very important turning point in your life. Align yourself again and again and again to integrity. Don't be greedy about if you come back to integrity once, twice, and you should be aware on that space. It will be great if you can, but if you fall, don't become powerless. Don't get into the space of powerlessness. Again and again, align your thinking to authenticity. See very clearly, are you functioning towards the best inner image by constantly developing liberated thinking? Liberated thinking means your thinking should not have or lead to powerlessness. Constantly your thinking should be leading you and being in powerful space. Are you constantly working towards your best inner, outer, others' life images? Again and again, whatever may be, remember you are responsible because you are the source of everything. You are responsible because you are the source of everything. Doing this throne itself is not an achievement unless it is used every day by the right person. Right person has to live it. Only then making this throne becomes historical, important. Same way, every day you have to live the truths which have gone inside. Truths are very shy guests. If you live them, pamper them, they start living with you, celebrate you, enjoy you. If you don't live them, if you show you are not happy with them, if you don't attend to them, they just go through the back door. Understand, they just move out through the back door. Live it every moment. Let your thinking become liberated thinking. Let your thinking become liberated thinking. Understand, when your regular thinking becomes liberated thinking, you feel so much of powerfulness. Actually, very visualization gives you so much of confidence and power, because anything you visualize simply becomes reality. You visualize only things which becomes reality.